Hi guys, Kyle with HOGWORKZ here. Safety and visibility are of the utmost importance for riders. HOGWORKZ now offers rear saddlebag lights designed to gain the attention of other motorists. You can never have too much light on the back of your bike. These LED lights are plug and play on 14 to current Harley Davidson Street Glide, Electra Glide, Road Glide, and Road King models. All HOGWORKZ LED lights are made with quality components, install in minutes, and are backed by our lifetime warranty. Let's get these bad boys installed on this 18 Road Glide also. First, we're going to need to remove the OEM seat in order to gain access to the main lighting wire harness. Next, we're going to remove the OEM saddlebag, as well as the OEM side cover. The next step is disconnecting the OEM wiring harness and pigtailing in the new harness for the saddlebag lights. Make sure you're connecting the new wire harness to the rear wire harness on the motorcycle. Next, we're going to plug in the LED saddlebag light. You're going to want to make sure you are using the correct side. Run yourself a clean line down the frame using zip ties, making sure you allow yourself enough slack to mount the saddlebag light to the back of the bag. Zip tie any extra slack you may have before installing the saddlebag light to the saddlebag. Reinstall your OEM side cover before installing your saddlebag. Next, we'll install the saddlebag and then affix the LED light. Make sure your surface is clean and free of debris before installing the 3M adhesive tape on the back of the saddlebag. Press firmly on the saddlebag light to make sure it is properly adhered to the bag. Repeat the previous steps on the other side and reinstall your OEM seat.